So if you watch my other video, you see that I make the heck out of some compost tea. That's because this stuff works. I've done comparisons with flowers, grass, and this stuff really works. Again, we're simply using the same bubbler. What we're doing this time is taking the same bucket, and this is my trial run. It's dirty, and we're creating a vortex. That's the main goal here. And that vortex is like a little hurricane that goes all the way to the bottom. Keeps it a constant stir, because the old people used to say they had to stir the bucket of compost tea every time they walked by it. That was just the rule. And the whole idea is to keep all these organisms that we're breeding moving and being able to feed off each other, and just keep them stirred up, so this is a constant flow. Instead of 3 big jets, we're taking the smoother approach, which I think is going to be much more effective and really increase the number of organisms that I'm growing. I took my big bucket and spent about $8 in 20 minutes at Lowe's, and I even have a drain there. But this whole tube here fills up with water to the height of the water in the bucket, of course. And I'm using this air, is pumping air up through the water and pushing it over into the bucket nice and gently. Very cost effective on energy, no motors or pumps to heat the water even more. But I can regulate it. I'm going to put a heater here when I actually brew my first batch of Vortex compost tea. And that heater's going to get the bucket nice and hot, and I'll move it around and get all sides of the bucket, and in turn we'll heat the water and make these organisms multiply faster. That's the whole goal here.